Noida, if we talk about, has been trying to be a hub for luxury for over 20 years. But somehow, with one reason or the other, Noida was not able to achieve that status. I think with the latest government innovations that have brought into the sector, with the new launches of Jewar Airport, Film City, and these announcements, with more and more developers flocking from different parts of the country to Noida, and more HNIs flocking towards finding a livelihood in Noida, it's but natural. The pent up demand had to rise. So, what you are seeing in Noida is not a story of 2026, it is a pent up demand which is coming out from 2006. It is what we had been waiting for the last 20 years, that now Noida is finally at par with the rest of the country, and I'm very excited. Noida had always been in the planning stage. And during COVID and demonetization, we experienced a massive cleanup of Noida. Jitne bhi unstructured and informal kind of setups the developers they have been wiped out, because now is the market of only professional companies to stand, which are work with systems, work with governments, work with stakeholders, and grow in a very systematic professional way. Today is not the culture of a if I may say, the Lala houses anymore. Today, you have to be a professional company to be able to survive, not just in Noida, but in any real estate locality geography. And that wiping happened, plus the infrastructural advancement happened. I mean, look at the expressway. Isn't it the most gorgeous road in Delhi? It never has waterlogging. It never has a jam-packed traffic jam. We can see the greenery every day. Why not? Why wouldn't people flock here? The air is cleaner, the greenery is better, the roads are wider. The people will get there.